So I'm very official today, which is a good thing because I'm talking about something very serious and I don't want jokes. I'm not gonna make any jokes today. Nikamata jokes. By the guys, I never get jokes. Even when you go for Churchill Live, I'm always like, I tell my friends to tell me when it's time to laugh because most of the time I don't get the joke. So me, I always laugh because people are laughing. So I don't blame it on me though. What's up guys? How you doing? Welcome to my channel. From my dress code, of course, I'm gonna be official today. I'm not doing jumping and all that. So we are going to talk about how to attract the right clients for your business. Whatever business you're in, you need to know who are the right clients for it. I have my YouTube book as usual. There are quite a number of things. So please guys, just be patient because this information is very important for those who are starting their own businesses, or maybe if you're running your own business and you don't know how to attract the right clients for your business. Number one, identify your target clients. The first thing you need to do before even you get into this point is you need to come up with a company profile that shows all the services that your company is offering, and then once you do that, you'll be able to know who you're going to approach and how you're going to approach them. This is going to help you from pitching to the wrong people, because sometimes you might have a very good idea but now you're trying to sell your idea to a wrong company or a wrong client. So just know very well who exactly you want to target out there and then take yourself out there and approach them. Point number two is you need to create power and earn trust. When you're doing business with the different customers, you need to have a relationship with them, because these people that you're having as your customers are the same people who are going to talk about your services to other people. So the relationship that you build between you and your clients, make sure that it's a good relationship. For example, if someone has given you a job, do it with all your heart and deliver in good quality. Don't just do it in a rush. Give it your best. So these clients are the same people who are going to recommend you to other people. And when you get a referral like from a client, it's usually easy dealing with them because this particular new client that is coming in already knows what you can do because the other clients speak so good about you. Example that I can give on this is I have a client, and there's a time I went there for a meeting. After the meeting, we were just chit-chatting outside there, and then there's someone else who walked in. So this particular person who walked in was from the next office, just next to this old client of mine. So this new person, when he saw me inside there, then he followed me when I was leaving and then asked me, oh, so what are you new in this particular company? And then I said, they're my clients. So when this guy, am I confusing you? I hope not. But yeah, once I left, this guy went back to my client and asked them, what is Christine offering you guys? Can I see what Christine has done for you guys? And of course, because I have a good relationship with these people, they were able to speak positive about what I've been doing for them. And of course, not that they were just speaking, I've been doing good job, guys. Like the ad has been doing good job for them. So this potential client contacted me later and I was able to go and pitch to them. And right now, they are my clients. See? So create your power and earn trust, because if these clients don't trust you, they won't recommend you to another person. If you're someone who just tells them, I'll deliver at 5 and then you deliver after 2 days, like 2 days later, that's when you're doing your delivery. They won't trust you. So make sure that you have good relationship with clients so that when you approach them and tell them to write for you recommendation letters, they'll be able to give you something good. Point number 3 is provide value to your clients. The reason I'm saying this is because we live in a very competitive world where people are copy-pasting. Does that make sense? Yes. People are trying to copy paste. So you might have a very good idea and someone else is also trying to repeat the same thing that you're doing and they're using shortcuts. So make sure that whatever services you're offering to your clients, they have like added value. For example, think more for them, not just letting them do the thinking. You're the professional here, and most of the time your clients work with you or approach you because they trust you and they believe that you're the professional. So don't keep those ideas to yourself. For example, if you want to work with the urge, we will listen to you, we will advise you. Our client is our number one in our head. Yani. When you wake up in the morning, I know I'm supposed to breathe this particular client, I'm supposed to think of what is it that I can give to them, what is it that can build their brand, what is it that they need to do more to be out there, to be seen in the other, not just thinking about the urge alone, but what is it that your client can do better apart from what they're working on. Point number 4 is you need to come up with your own red velvet rope policy. So let me use Groove Awards. When you're going for Groove Awards and you get to the entrance, when you're going in, and then there's the red carpet, and then there's this rope that is a string where we have bouncers, well-built men, most of the time they're usually men, who are there. You give them your ticket, and then they're able to pull that rope for you to pass. The moment you pass like this, you always feel like a superstar. Yeah, so that is how you need to feel in your business. Don't let people make you feel less of a superstar, because this is your area. Like, it's your profession. Like, you're the one who's offering these services. So someone who's gonna come into your business and not respect your business in terms of when it comes to payment. You do a job in January, they're supposed to pay you by end of January. Every company has their own policies. Like, let's say some will pay you, some clients will pay after 30 days, some will pay after 60 days. But now this particular client, they want to pay you after 6 months. Seriously, how are you gonna operate? How are you gonna run your business? There are people who need to be paid. Don't let these clients stay longer with your money, because those are not the right clients for your company. I don't think you need such people in your company, for real, because you need people who can also afford your services. So if they can't afford your services, then it means you're trying to pitch and sell your ideas to the wrong people. Guys, you need to know who are the right clients. How do you attract the right customers to your company? Please follow these things, because they're actually working for me, and I'm still learning as you go. I'm not there yet. By the way, I rather have 5 clients who are loyal and they're able to pay me right on time. If not right on time, they're able to communicate that they're going to pay, let's say, 1 week later. Communication is very key. Than having 50 clients who only 3% are able to pay right on time. The rest, you just follow them until sometimes it feels like you're doing something wrong asking for your money. My last point, guys, is learn how to say no. Not even learn. Don't be afraid to say no. Never ever be afraid to say no. Some people are just out here trying to make your business fail. And I'm sorry to use this example, but family and friends, I'm not even sorry, because that's what happens out here anyway. So some people, because they happen to be your friends, they expect you to reduce prices for them. They expect you to do for them favors. They expect you to do, like, just go. In my case, like, they want me to go and shoot for them and shoot for hours. You know very well that I've quoted for something for like 1 hour, and then when I get there, you want me to work for 3 or 4 hours, and you're still going to pay me for 1 hour. Sometimes we have of course we have different professions and all that. I respect your area of work. I think you also need to respect my field, because whatever you're paying me for that 1 hour is something that I sat down, and as a company with my finance department, we agreed that this is what we are going to charge for this particular client because of the number of hours that I'm going to spend there. So when I come there, then you tell me to work there for like 5 hours. Seriously, it doesn't make much sense. So the way you want me to respect your area of work, kindly respect other people's areas of work as well. Guys, say no to such clients, because they will just drag you behind. You're going to ruin your friendship, and even that family member who tells you all the time, oh, because you have this function and you have a very nice camera and your guys do a very good job when it comes to videos, please just come and do it for us for free. For free. People have to be paid. I need to pay rent for the office. I need to service these machines. Let's just learn how to say no. Not that I always say no to these things, by the way. I'm also trying, like, it's something I've told myself from June moving forward. When it's no, it's no. I'm not going to entertain such, because such people are just there to destroy your company. You know, so don't entertain them. I understand that sometimes you might charge someone 5,500 shillings or 10,500 shillings, and they feel like bargaining. It's okay to bargain, but there is unreasonable bargaining and reasonable bargaining. So if I tell you it's 10,500 and you tell me that, please, Christine, can you do for us maybe 10,000? That's understandable. But now I tell you 10,500, and then you tell me, can I do it for you for 5,000? Like, seriously? If you're watching this and you're one of those people you're one of them out there, please, I beg you, just learn how to respect people's businesses, and they will also respect yours. The same respect you deserve is the same respect that someone else also deserves. So respect their businesses. Sawa, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. If you think this video is gonna help you, kindly share with your friend so that they can also get the help. And if you like this particular video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're still waiting for, by the way, guys. Just subscribe to my channel. What is it that you're waiting for? alarm clock. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time.